Hi guys. So after a long time, we have joined live. So in this live, we are going to see um, handloom designer sarees that I have posted a sneak peek yesterday. So these are the handloom designer sarees. On the handloom, like with rich borders, with Venkatagiri zari borders, we have got this handloom silk cotton type sarees. So these are like extremely comfortable and also like very rich for the parties and all, and also like very easy to carry. So these are the sarees. We'll start seeing the sarees. So the first one, okay, on just pettu phone. So the first one is in the magenta pink color. Hi. So all the sarees are single pieces only. So whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can book. So the price range for the sarees is 1950. Free shipping. So okay, this is saree number 1. So, so you will be getting the running blouse along with this saree. Lighting patuko. So you will be getting the running blouse with this saree. So this is saree number 1. Okay. So I'll just give the detailings for one saree. So for this saree, you can see all over the saree you will be having the print and zari borders on both the sides of the saree. So these are like pure handloom sarees, pure handloom designer sarees. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is in very beautiful purple shade with zari border, and pallu also you have got the designer pallu. So this is the pallu in the dark maroon color you will be getting. So this is the saree. This is how it looks. This is saree number 1. The price is 1950. So the blouse also, running blouse you will be getting as shown. Next. So next is saree number 2. Full screen pettu and brightness. So next is saree number 2. So this is saree number 2 in the bottle green color. You will be getting this peacock booties all over in the square design. Okay, madam. One the screen brightness only. So the pallu also you will be getting in a very beautiful pattern. So this is the new sarees in the market. You would not have seen anywhere. So this is the pallu. So this is the pallu with the parrot design you will be getting. So this is new trend. Maybe slowly it will come. So I'm just updating the new collections. So this is in the bottle green color. On both the sides you will be having this kanchi zari border you will be having. So this is in the bottle green color. White background compared to. So this is in the bottle green color. So this is how it looks. With the kanchi zari border you will be getting the border on both the sides. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the blouse. You will be getting running blouse with the small zari border you will be getting. So this is the price of this is 1950. So the pallu is also very rich as shown. So these are the designer pattern in the handloom sarees. So this is in the maroon color with the peacock print all over. Peacock booties in the square design. It looks like very beautiful. So the price is 1950 for this next saree. So okay, Gada. Okay. So the next one is in the nice mustard yellow color. Mustard yellow color with the flower booties, and down you will be getting the mango design with the zari border. So this is the pallu for this saree. So this is the pallu. You have got the mango design for the pallu on the maroon color background, and you will be getting the running blouse. So all the sarees are new collection, like new kind of designs. So generally in the Venkatagiri or that handloom sarees, we'll be getting this borders on both the sides with the plain body. So in this we have done this print work. So it is a new pattern in the saree. Okay, handloom saree isko. Kinda red or orange chivardi. Kinda baadi. Adadi. So this is how it looks. So this is the design with the mango design on top and bottom. On both the sides, you'll be getting the border like this. So this is how it looks. A very beautiful piece on the designer collection. New collection in the market as well. The price is The price is 1950. So this is the pallu. Blouse. Blouse you'll be getting running blouse. So small border with the mango design you'll be getting. So this is the running blouse. So this is how the saree looks. This is how the saree looks. So for this saree, like how we have told. So this is a normal handloom saree, like Venkatagiri sarees with zari borders we have, right? So in the middle, other than the plain color, the designer pattern we have got like this with different kind of designs. One we have got peacocks, one is flowers, and one is sunflower design. So different kind of flowers and parrots design they have got. So that is the concept of this saree. So the next one is in the brown color. So this is also a very pretty color. So this is in the dark brown. In the bottom you have got the peacock design, and the body of the saree you have got the flower booties all over. So for the wash instructions, you can't do it as a normal machine wash. You need to wash it separately. There is no need of dry cleaning for this. So this is the pallu. This is dark maroon or brown color with the green color combination. So this is how it looks. A very pretty design. Dark maroon, or it's more like in the brown shade also. Okay, with the green color borders. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. Nice, these flower lines also comes on the border of the saree, and this particular border highlights the saree. All comes in the bright colors, and few we have in the pastel colors as well. So this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. Blouse, you will be getting the running blouse with the small border. For the border also you will be getting the For the blouse also you will be getting the zari border. So this is how it looks, and this is the pallu. Pallu also you will be getting a designer in the bottle green color combination. So the saree is in the dark brown or the maroon color with the green color combination with the zari border on both the sides of the saree with the peacock design. So this is how it looks. The price is 1950. So the next is in the dark navy blue color combination with the zari borders. So this is how it looks with the body of the saree is in the flower booties like this. So this is the pallu. Pallu you get it in the lavender shade with the designer flowers and the stems. So this is also a very beautiful color combination, dark navy blue, and all these sarees are like mesmerized cotton sarees. So the body of the saree will have a shine on the body, shine on the saree of the body, shine on the body of the saree. So this is how it looks. So it looks like very rich. So this is the running blouse. So running blouse also you will be getting the body. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. Whole the saree you will be having the flower designs. So on the single layer also it looks very good. So this is the pallu. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is the pallu and this is the saree. The price is 1950. Okay. The next one is also in the dark maroon or the chocolate brown color with the temple border you will be getting. So this has got the small flower booties all over the saree, and this is the border of the saree. pallu. So this is the pallu. The pallu is in the dark red color. So this is how it looks. Small flower booties you will be getting all over the saree. On both the sides of the saree you will be having zari border. And this is the flower booties on the saree. This is how it looks. So this is in the dark maroon or the brown color. So this is the running blouse you will be getting. You have got a big border for the running blouse. So this is how it looks. Saree with the blouse. The price is 1950. So on single layer also it looks very good because you have got booties design all over the saree. Okay, this is how it looks. The price is 1950. So in the same booties you have got another shade. So this is the light color shade. So far like we have been seeing the dark color shades. So this is the light color shade with the temple border, cream color. So this is grayish tint, grey color. So grey color like mesmerized cotton saree. So this is the border you will be getting on both the sides of the saree. So this is how it looks. Blouse. So this is the running blouse with small border. The price is 1950. This is the pallu. Pallu is in the red color. Okay. So this is saree with the blouse. The price is 1950. Next is a very pretty color combination. This is the lavender color combination. So in this set, this is one of my favorite color. So this is lavender color combination with the peacock and magenta pink color border. So this is like very beautiful. The flower design on this also is very beautiful. So this is the pallu. So this is the pallu in the dark maroon color you will be getting. So very beautiful one. Lavender color. Yeah. Lavender with the flower booties. Very beautiful piece this is. So on both the sides you have got the golden zari with the peacock borders. So this is how it looks. So the blouse is a running blouse with the small zari border you will be getting. So this is how it looks. Lavender with the magenta pink color combination. The price is 1950. So this is the flower booties you have got on the saree, and along the border you have got the bunch of flower design. So this is how it looks. So the price of this is 1950. Next. Huh? Pension, so this is one more in the magenta pink color combination. Magenta pink with the green color combination. These booties are in the Pochampalli design. So this is the border with the flower border with flower zari border you have got. This is the body of the saree with the booty. So this is the pallu. Pallu is in the dark maroon color. So this is also a very beautiful one in the magenta pink color combination. Magenta pink with the green color. So this is the pallu. Running blouse with the flower border, with flower zari border you will be getting the running blouse. So it's a very deep color. So along the border you will be getting this Pochampalli with the zari border design. So this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how it looks. magenta pink with the green color combination. This is the pallu. Pallu also you have got in the flower and the pochampalli design. So this is next saree in the magenta pink color. The price is 1950. Next. So the next one is in the dark leaf color or bottle color design, bottle green color. So the sarees are mesmerized cotton sarees, and so all the sarees have this shine on the saree. So this is with the peacock border, and along the border you will be having the bunch of flower design, and on the body of the saree you will be having the flower booty design. So this is the dark maroon color. This is the pallu. Patko. So this is in the bottle green color combination. Bottle green color with the peacock booties on the border. So this is how it looks. A new color, a new collection, and it will be just new in the market. Yes, this is how it looks. This is the running blouse you'll be getting for the saree. If you want, you can wear a contrast blouse also. That depends on how you style it. So this is how it looks. So it looks more good when you put the steps. So this is how it looks. The price of this is also 1950. So this is the saree with the blouse. Even with the single layer also, it do look very good. So bottle green with the red color combination. The price is 1950. So this is in the dark grey color combination. Dark grey with the maroon color combination. Same parrot booties design with the peacock border, and this is the body of the saree. Yes, it is the print. Very good quality print it is. Like if you rub also, it will not go. So on the back side it looks like this. So but wash, you can't put it directly in the machine, so you need to do it a gentle hand wash. So this is in the dark grey color. So this is in the dark grey color with the maroon color combination. So this particular booties are very good. Like it looks very, very cute. The parrot in the boxes design. The blouse, you will be getting the running blouse. So this is the saree with the blouse design. So this is how it looks. We'll put the steps. So this is how it looks. Nice, very pretty dark grey with the maroon color combination with designer print on it. So this is the pallu. Pallu also you have got the peacocks. So this is from far how it looks. Saree with the pallu. The price is 1950. Next is in the green color. This is in the methi green color combination with the tree booties design. So this is another new print design. So this is with the tree booties design with the zari border. So pallu is in the dark contrast color, a nice dark red with the leaves and the trees design. So this is the pallu. So this is methi green, very nice and a beautiful color. This is also methi green with the maroon color combination. So this is the saree with the blouse. Okay. So this is the blouse with peacock border. Here you will get like this. This is not peacock border, flower border. So for the blouse you will be getting 3 to 4 inches of border on the blouse. So this is how it looks. Tree design with the flower border. So this is how it looks. It is very comfortable to wear, as well as it looks very good for the small parties also, because it is easy to carry, and also it gives a very rich look and tinge because of the design and the quality of the saree. So okay, the price is 1950. This is in the methi green tree design. Lavender okay. So this is one more in the dark maroon with the green color combination. So the design is different. So in the same color combination we have got another designs also. So for this the design is different. So this we have got in the parrot boxes design. So the pallu also you will be getting it in the booties and the parrot design. Same the dark maroon, the same kind of saree with the parrot design. So this is how it looks, with nice border, zari border. So this is the running blouse you will be getting with the small border. So this is the saree and this is the pallu. Pallu is in the green color, nice colorful pallu you have got. So the price of this is 1950, dark maroon with the green color combination. Next is in the lavender shade, lavender with the magenta pink color combination with the parrot boxes design. The same saree I think we have seen in another design or same design, I don't remember. So this is a very pretty color. So this is how it looks. Lavender with the magenta pink, it's a hot selling piece. Like people do like this color combination because this is rare and a new color combination as well. So along the border you will be getting this Pochampalli weaves design. Design? Zigzag. So this is how it looks. So the blouse, you will be having the running blouse. Okay, this is how it looks. So this is in the lavender with the magenta pink color combination with the parrot booties design. So this is how it looks. The price is 1950. This is the pallu. Pallu is in the dark maroon shade. Okay. So we have got a very limited collection in this new catalog, because as it is a new catalog and new design in the market, we have got less number of pieces. So according to the response or people how they like it, we'll try to get more number of sarees. So this is the last saree for this video. So this is in the dark mustard color with the mango design and the small flower booties all over. So this is in the dark mustard color, dark mustard yellow with the red color border. So this is something like traditional design, traditional color combination. So this is in the mango design. You will be getting the pallu. So same running blouse you will be getting with some big border. So this is the pallu we have already seen. Any chupincham? 16. 15. So total I have shown 15 sarees in this video. All 15 are different colors and different designs. Yes. So whoever wants to book, they can take a screenshot and they can order. So this is the last one with the small flower booty design. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Now if any questions, sorry I couldn't read any of your comments. Okay, any questions you can ask me. So one more thing. One more thing, like in this December by end we'll be having good number of sales and also new collections for Christmas and New Year and Pongal as well. So whoever wants to book, they can book please little early, so that we can give it on time. So any questions you can ask. I'm just reading the comments. Hi Mali, Akamir Veskun dress. Can I order it? Yes, this particular dress also, this is a chikankari cotton top. So I'll be posting the photos and the videos soon for this. You can pair this dress with, this is a bandhani dupatta This is the red bandhani I have paired with. You can have multiple dupatta options. I'll be just showing you. This particular top is very good quality also. So any more questions? Ta-dun, ta-dun, ta-dun. Okay. If any more questions, you can ask me. Abbo. Ooh. How much cost? So all the sarees which I have shown in this video, all are for 1950. Thank you, Priya. So this dress is also I've got for sale just for the videos so that you can have a live interpretation. I wore this dress. So this is a straight cut kurti also. It's like very comfortable other than the gown and all. So this is a straight cut kurti and I've paired it with a simple bandhani dupatta. So I'll be posting the pictures also soon. You can order whoever wants to order. So if any more questions, we can see. This is side cut kurti ma. Okay. So if any more questions, we'll be here. Otherwise, we'll be leaving and I'll be posting this video on the IGTV. So whoever have missed or joined late, you can watch the video on IGTV to place your orders. Okay. Okay then, thank you so much everyone. So many people join. Bye. Okay, thank you so much and bye. Have a nice day. And